Hello there! In this video tutorial I will show you how to flash an ISO file on a USB drive to create a bootable USB drive. You will only need a USB drive without any important data on it, because all the data on the USB drive will be destroyed. So let's get started. The first thing that we will need to do is to download the ISO file. And in this example, I will show to you how to do it for CubesOS, but you can download the ISO file for any other Linux distribution if you want to flash something else. So I'm downloading the desired ISO file now, and I'll get back to you once the download is ready. Okay, so the download has completed now. What we will need to do is to search for the application that is called Disks. The full name of this application is GNOME Disk Utility, so you can download this from the software application if you don't have it yet. So now I will insert my USB drive. As you can see, the USB drive pops up and I select this menu and then restore disk image. Here I select the ISO file that I want to flash. And now I click Start Restoring and then Restore. I'm providing my sudo password, and now my USB drive will start flashing. So this flashing procedure might take a while, depending on the size of your ISO file, on the performance of your computer, and on the speed of your USB drive. So now the USB drive is ready to be used. To unmount it, I click the eject button at the top, and I can now safely remove the USB drive from the computer. And it's all ready to be used. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comments below this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you would like to see more awesome Linux tips and tricks. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Nova Custom. Own your tag.